Hi everyone, so this video has nothing to do with DIY, plumbing, heating or anything like that. This video is just one of a relaxing nature. Put it on your nice big screen TV. These are just pictures I've taken from my house here in Dawlish, down in Devon, across the sea to the coast of Exmouth mainly, and they're just nice sunset style type pictures in the main, and different cloud and formations that we get here in Dawlish. Quite a unique kind of set of atmospheric conditions, I think, so it was worth doing. It's taken me nearly 8 years to get these together, these pictures. I've just been collecting them as time went by. If it's not your cup of tea, it's okay, just shut it off. If you fancy something a little bit more relaxing, nothing to learn, nothing to do, this might be for you. See if you enjoy it. It's just something I put together, just enjoy it, alright? Nothing more than that. Okay, here we go.